life's too short to even care at all. Oh,